Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or games in your Windows. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to check whether we had enough storage or not. So for that I just enter into the Windows Explorer, and here I had a good enough storage. If in case you don't have any storage like it shows on red color, please make sure have better storage on it. For that you can also delete your temp files. So I'm just showing that. Just enter into the settings. Over the settings you may see the system. On that, store enter into the storage. Over here you can enter into the temporary files and you can delete those files. It will take sometimes to load it. So once it loaded, you can delete the temp files. So after that the second step is to reset. For that you need to type ws reset on the run command. It will automatically open the Windows Explorer, it will automatically open the Microsoft Store and it will reset on the background. Once it done, please close it. Sometimes it automatically close, or else you need to close manually. So our third step is to enable the service. So for that you need to type services on search bar and you need to enter into the services. Over here you need to update the Windows update. You need to make it as automatic and you need to start the program and click apply and then click OK. It's in automatic, so no need to worry. You can just apply and click OK. Once it's done, we had another services we need to reactivate. So that's a Microsoft storage program, and then start the program again and then click apply and then click OK. Stop and then start it and then click apply and then click OK. That's it. You can close your services. Once it's done, you need to enter into the CMD for scan. Before that we can enter into the Microsoft Store and scan. Before that we can enter into the Microsoft Store and then click. So just click app setting. You will redirect to the settings. Over here you can repair and reset your Microsoft Store, and please make sure once you reset you need to enter your credential to log in. Once it's done, please close it. CMD. So for that you need to enter CMD and open the program as an administrator mode. Once you opened your program, you need to type sfc /scan now, and it will take a long time. Have some patience to wait on it. So meanwhile, once you done it, please restart your system and please check whether the Microsoft Store issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, we need to reinstall, remove and reinstall. Remove and reinstall the Microsoft Store. For that you need to enter into the PowerShell and click run the program as an administrator mode, and copy the link in the description. First copy the first prompt and then paste it on the PowerShell and then hit enter. Once it processed, please copy the second prompt and then paste it over the PowerShell and hit enter. It automatically removes and reinstall the Microsoft Store on the background. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.